Okay, I have a question for you. Have you ever accidentally deleted something on WhatsApp and realized a few seconds later that you actually needed it? Maybe it was an important conversation, a photo, a voice note, a payment detail, or even an important WhatsApp attachment. And once it's gone, most of the people think that it cannot be recovered. But actually it can be. And that's what we're going to talk about today. In this video, we're going to talk about Gbyte Recovery. It's a desktop application which allows iPhone users to recover their WhatsApp data from their iCloud backups without having to reset their account, their device, or even reinstalling WhatsApp. Now you might wonder, what is Gbyte Recovery? Well, it's a recovery tool for iPhone and iPad that can help recover different types of lost data. And for this video, we're going to specifically focus on its WhatsApp recovery feature. And by the end of the video, I'm going to also showcase its amazing feature through which you can unlock your iPhone if you've forgotten your password. Now that's quite handful. So let's first begin with WhatsApp. In WhatsApp Recovery, it includes chats, photos, videos, voice notes, documents, and other kind of WhatsApp attachments. And instead of restoring your entire backup or reinstalling WhatsApp, Gbyte lets you scan your backup, preview what's available, and recover only the files you actually need. Now getting started is pretty easy. Just head over to the website gbyte.com, download the software for Windows or Mac OS, and install it. Once you launch the application, you'll see multiple recovery options. Since we're recovering WhatsApp data, select WhatsApp along with WhatsApp attachments. This way, the software only focuses on the data you're interested in recovering instead of scanning everything. Now the next step is to connect your iCloud account. Gbyte uses backup associated with your Apple ID to search for recoverable data. Of course, make sure you're accessing your own account and the data you're authorized to recover. After signing in, start the scan and let Gbyte process your selected data. Depending on the size of the backup, this may take a while, but it will get the job done. Now once the job finishes, you'll be taken to the recovery dashboard, and this is where things become really useful. You can filter out the results, browse different kinds of backup, search by date, or quickly locate the conversation or file you're looking for. And instead of restoring everything, you can simply find the specific message, photo, or voice note that actually matters to you. And before actually recovering the data, Gbyte allows you to overview the stuff which will be available for you and the stuff you're actually going to recover. You can check WhatsApp messages, images, videos, voice notes, documents, and other attachments. Once you've found what you need, simply select those files and click Recover and choose where you want to save them on your computer. I like that it gives you control over exactly what you're recovering instead of forcing you to restore the entire backup. And for personal users, this could actually help recover valuable memories, conversations that were deleted accidentally. And for business users, it could mean getting back customer messages, payment details, or important files shared through WhatsApp. And now comes the another thing which I told you about. Gbyte also offers to help you unlock your iPhone if you forgot your password. So if you've forgotten the passcode, or you need to unlock your own iPhone in a legitimate situation where you're authorized, then that's another feature available in Gbyte ecosystem, as you can see. And as always, these tools must be used on your authorized devices or the devices you own or the devices you've given permission to access. And so that was the whole thing about Gbyte and its amazing recovery features. The whole process is simple. Download the application, select WhatsApp Recovery, log into your iCloud account, scan the backup, preview the files you need, and hit the button Recover. And if you'd like to learn more about Gbyte and its amazing features and the services it provides, you can check out the link in the description below. And I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, I'm signing out.